Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel and welcome to the Lights and Sirens answer section. So here's the answer video. These questions are set by Shashanko Sharma. So the video was supposed to be done by Shashanko Sharma. Because of the poor network, he sent me this particular set to do the answer video. So here we go with the prelims. So remembering late Diganto Dotto. Question number one. So we are looking for a particular TV series. This is an American drama TV series started in 2018. So the series was cancelled totally for some reasons. So which TV series is being talked about? Think what the name of the quiz is. So the answer would be Siren. Easy one to start with. Question number two. So looking for a particular blank. So these are the indigenous people inhabiting the peninsula and the shores of Dash Sea and the burning sea, reign of the Arctic Ocean within the Russian Federation. So we are looking for a particular blank. So they speak Dash language. So this is in the Chukchi people. Moving on to question number three. So connect the dots. We have few photos from that. You have to say what this would be, and it was a non-exhaustive list. So birds, sky full of stars, clocks, scientists, hypnotized, yellow. So these are the songs by Coldplay. Easy one. Songs of Coldplay: birds, sky full of stars, clocks, scientists, hypnotized, yellow. Different songs of the Coldplay. Next question, question number four, easy one. Connect to explain a certain IPL feed. So these are Irfan Pathan, Piyush Chawla, and VRB Singh, and it's birthday of Irfan Pathan too. It's easy one. It's a IPL is going on, and this is the Lakshmipati Balaji's hat trick in IPL. So this is very first hat trick in IPL. So Lakshmipati Balaji's name and the hat trick, these are the two different and keyword which we are looking for in the answer. Lakshmipati Balaji's hat trick in IPL. Moving on to next question. Question number five. Looking for a particular brand. Apart from being a photographer, he was the art director of famous brand, a certain famous brand for which created several controversial advertisement for about 18 years. So which brand is being talked about? So this is UCB, United Colors of Benetton. So UCB is good enough. Moving on to next question. Question number six. Easy one. Name the painting and the painter. So this one was a pretty easier question. This is self-portrait by Van Gogh. So Vincent Van Gogh and the self-portrait is what we are looking for in the answer. Moving on to the next question. Question number seven, almost halfway through. Fill in the blanks with the Sanskrit verse. So Ayam Nijam Prabhavati Ganana Laguchetasam Udara Chitranamattu dash dash. So perhaps more appropriately, it is the theme of the International Film Festival of India. So International Film Festival is is a great hint. So extract from the Vedic scripture from one of the Upanishad and inscribed in entry hall of the Indian Parliament. This is the verse. So fill in the blanks with the Sanskrit verse. So this is indeed, the world is one family, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is good enough. Moving on to the next question, question number 8. So what unique feature describes this film? This is a thriller movie released in the late 1940s. The film shares its name with a play from 1929 on which it is based. The New York Times said the film to the underrated and rarely seen film. Beside this film has some unique feature which is said to be the first of its kind at that time. So what unique features with what unique feature describe this particular film? So this indeed the movie Rope. There is a first attempt to make a single take film. So attempt was to make a single take film. Moving on to the next question, question number 9. Looking for a particular folk dance, two West Indian states performed by women in the Konkan region during Hindu religions festival like Ganesh Chaturthi and Vrata, or towards the end of the other dances like Dhalo. According to certain historical fact, this dance is said to have created from few ancient tradition of the state. So simply what folk dance is being talked about. So Konkan region, West Indian state, dance after Dhalo. So this is indeed Fugdi. Fugdi is good enough. Moving on to the next question, question number 10. Easy one. Which famous fictional character made his first appearance in the short story A Study in Scarlet? This one was a pretty easy question. So, fictional character, first appearance in A Study in Scarlet. So, this is indeed Sherlock Holmes. Moving on to next question, question 11. Looking for a particular person. X is a very well known among the high school student of Assam for a specific reason. That was a giveaway hint. X was born at Rajador, North Guwahati on 21st May of 1850. He had his school education from Guwahati Government Seminary, passed the entrance examination of Calcutta University in 1864 and joined the Presidency College. So he published some important and rare Sanskrit classics. So Sanskrit classics such as Mahavir Charitra, uh, Saraswati Kantha Bharna and Namalinganusana, along with his own commentaries. So noted among the being Janaki Bharamasya, uh, Janaki Ramabhasya. He started compilation of English Sanskrit dictionary during 1873 to 74. Looking for a person, easy one. This is Anandaram Burwa. So why it is like popular among the HSLC students, this would be obviously Anandaram Burwa HSLC award, Anandaram Burwa Bota. He was the first Assamese and the fifth Indian to join the Indian Civil Service in 1872. He was also the first Indian civilian to be appointed as a district magistrate. So Anandaram Burwa is good enough. Moving on to question number 12. How do we know this particular photo? This is an American sitcom started in 2005, presenting the daily lives of some employees, having 9 seasons in total. In an episode in 2006 titled The Carpets, Mr. Scott, one of the employees, recalls a meeting with his old boss. So, this particular photo has, however, been revolving across the social media, obviously through memes. Just you have to say which particular meme it is. So this is the office handshake meme. So we can see this type of meme all around the internet in these days and past years. So office handshake meme is good enough. Moving on to question number 13. Whose tweet for whom? I have always had utmost respect for my friend Dash as a person and as a companion. As my greatest rival over many years, I believe have pushed each other to become better players. Therefore, it is a true honor to me to congratulate him on 20 Dash victory. So, looking about whose tweet for whom. Easy one. So, this is Roger Federer for Rafael Nadal. So Rafael Nadal and Roger Federer, these are the key words. Moving on to the penultimate question, question number 14. So give X. Other kids other kids games are all such a bore. They have rules and they gotta keep score. X is better by far. It's never the same. It's always bizarre. You don't need a team or a referee. You know that it's great because it's named after me. So give the X. So what is being talked about? So this is Kelvin ball. So Kelvin ball is good enough. Sooner or later, all our games turn into Kelvin ball. No cheating. Moving on to the last question, question number 15. White twist, purity of purpose, right square, leadership and devotion, green stroke, X growing heritage and legacy for 125 years. The colors of the logo, old one obviously, of which famous entity signifies this. So before moving on to the answer slide, thank you for watching the full video and do subscribe the channel and like the video, share with your friends if you haven't done it yet. And yeah, there is one announcement that we will be having a play along for the non-finalists and the open people, even though if they are not from school. We will have one open session, play along session of the final here in the channel. So without doing any further delay, the answer of this question is CCD, Cafe Coffee Day is what we were looking for. That's all from the lights and sirens. Thank you from my side, thank you from Shoshanko's side, and thank you from Deep Jyoti's side. Hope you will join for the finals, play along for finals. That's all.